Ninja Acholi. Welcome back to Chaka Leb Acholi. I'm Jacqueline Kangakot, and man segment me Kwan Leb Acholi, session 41 on Biri, the Biri subclan of the Acholi, Pajok clan of the Acholi tribe of South Sudan. Okay, I just read right now on Obota, but since Biri, the information is very limited and it's just 2 pages here, I didn't want to waste too much time, and I just wanted to jump right in and find out about Biri. I want to read about Biri now. Okay, this is one of the subgroups or subclans of the Pajok clan of the Acholi tribe of present-day South Sudan. Okay, if you're from Biri, please leave a comment, share with others, like, okay, subscribe to our channel. If you have any more information about your subgroup or your subclan, please also drop us a DM or private message, whether on YouTube or Facebook. We'll get back right to you. If you would like to be a guest, also send us a private message or a comment under this video. Apo my tag. We previously had Olanya Paul from Biri on. You can go back to our YouTube channel to watch that recording on Biri. And now I'm just reading a text research from Stephanie Onyala on the Biri people. Okay, and Olanya, if you're watching, you can leave a comment under this video if you want to verify anything that I'm reading. Okay, I'm tech. Okay, actually, like before, I think about it, like I can't look me Biri come my it's only 2 pages. What you're joining on it? Jo Biri tie gi Doc Ot Martino Ariel Gina ye pa Chaka gi Palom wala Palome. Okay, Doc Ariel man duju obino gi ikabero maparapa higma wabineno pinkan. Okay, Jo Pachwaha mi Biri. Okay, now remember, Biri has many spellings if they're in other countries, okay? But in Sudan or Southern Sudan, some people may spell Biri as B-I-T-T-I. Some people may spell Biri as B-I-T-I with just 1 T, okay? And the Biri people migrated throughout Sudan and into present-day Uganda and settled with other groups as well, and also settled with people from other ethnic groups. Okay, and then some actual returned and came back into present-day South Sudan or into Southern Sudan, and became part of Pajok or part of other groups. Okay, some Biri people actually migrated and extended their reach far out past Uganda and Kenya. Some actually ended up in places like Niger or Cameroon. Some became part of other ethnic groups in maybe the Gambia or Senegal and stuff like that. But we're not going that far. We're not discussing how far the more people went today. We are just discussing the origin and the migration and the settlement of the Biri people into Pajok as the subgroup or subclan Biri of Pajok. Okay? So, like George joining on it, the author wrote, Te Kwarami Pajok Wajani Jo Pachwaha Obino Gi Ibunyoro. Okay. Kala Chin Gin Bene Odaho Wiri Pajok. Okay. So they are one of the original founders or owners of land in Pajok. They are considered Wiri Gang, which means they are the forefathers of Pajok. Okay. This is one of the groups. And they have the rights to land in Pajok, okay, because they are forefather or founder of Pajok, okay? Kajo Palome, wala Palom, Kono Obino Ogero Ikingi, Dok Bong means foreigners. Bong means foreigners, okay? So Jo Palome were foreigners, even if we get it from Jo, and Magi with Pajok. This is the Biri Pa Chaka Biri, okay? Kidma wabero ka neno Pajok Lacam wanongoni tie Doc Ot angwen magina ye wiri Pajok mi Pajok. Okay, Mana ye biri Pachaka, okay, their forefather. Pagaya nyo pobuk mi pagaya. Munugin mi area. Kapanto kera gia you. Okay. Dana mi dok ot angwen man gin duju o okipa jok imwara achiel. En mwa achiel. Ento gino bino idwe maparapat. Udiro mi pa jok chalo parteno abak gi ogana wachini jo pagaya aye mao chako doni pa jok. So they're saying it goes jo masa. Jo pagaya kadung biri ni area. Kadung tum jo mo ni bino ben. Panto kera ya you. These are the forefathers, the original forefathers of Pajok who settled first in the land of Pajok. These are the original Willigang Mi Pajok. We call them Willigang Mi Pajok, okay? Or the forefathers of Pajok. Those who came later were given land before, while there was still enough or abundance of land, okay? And it seems like he's speaking to people like Ogana, which is my dad's uncle, to get this information. Okay. Kaningoni. Jupagaya gin mo chaka doni Pajok. Gino bino geri kom got ago. Okay. Kabiri obedo dano mi areo. Mi donyo gin obino ogeri kom got. Kilak miti matie ilokum. Gin obino gerlokun hajo panto kera obedo dano mi adeg gin obino ogera ikom got ago ikin pagaya kajo ayu dong obedo dano mi angwen gin bene obino ogera ikom got ago ikin pagaya. Okay. Ononi, I'm reading with the music, I'm sorry. I want to make sure you guys can hear me properly. My son is crying and I'm not thinking. Okay, so that was the first reading on the Pachaka people, or the Wikigang of Pajok, which included Biri. The first people, Madonya Pagaya Miaria Biri, Kadong Ngagi, Ka Pantokera, Kadong Ayu. And they all came into Pajok within the same year. Not exactly the same time, but within the same year. These are the founders of Pajok. Okay. Onongoni look me luongonying gang nyo dok ot ikina chuli kapewa neno ma ayema be chi tuero kelo anyoba. True, a lot of people are disputing information about who we are, our clans and names and migration. It's not easy to discuss our history between Acholi members or members of our community. Okay. Ilog te kwara pa choli kelo itwanya banyoba madom, right? Yeah. La porne obero nying biri. Dana mokena lungo ni bito. Nyo jopa bito. Okay? Carcelera waje ibuk mere, the Luo part 1, Luo migration ni. Jo biri mi pa jok, onongo gilungo gini biri nyo bito. Gin bena omahoke pi mwagama nok ilobo bunyoro. Okay? Man otime ikare ma luo pori tie kayenyo kabero. Okay? Ento ka wangeo matut ite kwarpa chuli gi luo mwanongo ni tie dok od ma gi lungo bito. Biti pa bito. Te kwarpa luo wache ni dok od bito tie i anywak. Okay? Ka dok od mi biri tie i Pajok. Ka dok od mi jo bito kono tie i Pawir. Remember, we were reading about jo Pawir. Munu kamabura bino ke, okay? Dok od pa jo bito moken ti Pawir. Nyolo lunga giningo kabermaido. Gin duju opore gi ikom chua bunyoro. Okay, this is what I was reading yesterday. Now, some Acholi people or Pajok people, When they hear the word Bunyoro, they automatically think, oh, the ethnic group, me Bunyoro, Bunyoro Kingdom, Munujo, Ogana. No. Jo Luo or settled come Bunyoro, and Luo including some groups of Acholi. Okay, Gibi Pore, Komgi, Jomoko Ben Obino, Gisela Northern Uganda, Jumko Dogo de Sudan, your Southern Sudan. Okay, you have to have an open mind. Okay, you need to understand how my migration, you want to get it. Just because you know more you associate in your mind, okay, Munudanga Bunyoro Kingdom, you gotta know. Jo Luo better come Bunyoro. Those Luo includes Jo Acholi people. Okay. All right, anyways. Moko poko gi kom jo chua mi bunyoro, okay? Yala jo bir mo keno agi chua bunyoro, nam jo chua bura beno agi kom yala, okay? An dong pe angeo ka nying biri pa biro gi biro duchu tie ka chel wala chel. Okay, there's different groups ki split up jo biri, okay? Mo giti we are nyuak mo ti bunyoro mo kono ti kan. Okay. Now he doesn't know ka juni por yilungo kum gini gen dana chia wala gen nongi po kum gi wana gen gite jo mapat gen jo the same people as biri ko gen nongi te jo biro jo nga lakin all originated from the same place. Okay, yala migration path may have been similar lakin gibi po ga okay magi okay present day Uganda nyoy Bunyoro Kingdom. Okay, look biro ilaba choli tien loke ni ke nyokal. Okay, mau agi biro mi bunyoro pien kalma dit pa choa tie ilobo bunyoro. Okay, exactly. Okay, that's the history of the Biri people. Okay, one neno I would pa bura mi pajok. One neno I would pa bura mi pajok ni inge a wahagi pajul wala pajule jo choa opora a day. Dana mokena chiro yo tung nyango, dana mokena odok yo tung malo, ka dana mokena kono o chiro yo tung poro cheng. Nen chalo jo biri mi pa jok, gi wore gi e chua mau ki pajul wala pajule, gi dok yo tung poro cheng ka gino o kwere wa e pakwach ma ikarami achonya gilungo ni pobung. Okay, so gi agi kom jo chua mi pajul wala pajule gi chira wi pakwach. Okay, jomol ni pabungu nyo pubungu te kwar pachuli waje ni biri opoke wagi kom jo chua ki pakwach. Okay, mono gi okere wi pakwach kenyo ne mono that's the time jo biri hagi kom jo chua. Remember jo chua, they were troublesome. Gimana luan giga dire because of famine luan gine. Jo bura mo gi kongi group mo ben gi kongi gi bilong kongi jo gi mapat. That includes jo biri ben gi kongi by the time gi pakwa gi kom joni. Okay, duan bene wajoni bira nyo jo lango mi Sudan obino gi bunyoro. Gino pore la chien ki kom biri choa ki pakwach. Crasolera o wa jo kwere ni jo bira mi Sudan nen chalo gin onongo tie I kin luak mau pore ki pakwach. Jo bira nyo jo lango mi Sudan nen chalo gino onongo tie I kin luak mau pore ki pakwach gino chiro ogere I got agoro. Okay, so jo lango gi chiro got agoro. Okay, ki pakwach jo biri mo keno chiro I Belgian Congo. You see, jo biri gi chiro so far. Okay, gi chiro Congo, gi chiro kan, gi chiro Cameroon, gi chiro kama bojo kini. So those of you who have close minded thinking jo biri nongiti ka chel, nyo jo chul git nongiti ka chel, nyo jo luo giti ka chel. Well, kagi passed through kingdom mo kenama is not a Luo ethnic nation. Or Luo ethnic group nation doesn't mean boy okuja ki bero under certain rules kage get chera. Okay, so John get chera we Belgian Congo jo bir get chera Congo Mogi Gichiro Giti Cameroon, Ti Niger, Giti Kankan. Okay? Alright, so just read widely, please. Boy. Gichiro Mogocheri Belgian Congo, Kala Chen, Gilungo Kongini, Jo Panikango. Panikango, okay? Gi Kenyu, Biri mi Pajoko Ochira Ogere Kom God Ago, Milo Kum, Kama Yuaya Onoginti Iya. Source any Crasolera 1954. Okay. Ka Jopa Biro mi Uganda Opoka Gi Kom Biri mi Pajok Gi Kom Pakwach Gin Ochira Ogera e Kabera Megi Martin Gin Tia Iya. Okay, so Jo Pa Biro mi Uganda Gi Poka Gi Kom Biri mi Pajok. Okay. Kagingoni mono gitie gina e pakwach kagi chiro gi ger ka beru tuki tin megi kamatin gitie ye e pajok. Okay, so Jo Panikango mi Congo o luo kumgi kidman mi achiel pien gin miro nyurubot dano mokene ni kari bed gin tie i Congo dano miro ongeni gin pori luak pa buot ni kango Mishiluk, okay? Mami kango gi nyo jo gina ni kang gi omeko gi siblings gi lwanyo dumo gi dimo gi wen jo biri eni malo lungo gi ni panyi kango gi chulungo kum gi ni panyi kango I Congo ni they want people to know nigi bino gi shil gen jo luo pori jo panyi kango, okay? Kamia Rio gino chako nying man mi po kwere I kom shiluk piena chulio bino gi shiluk Kirma Wabero Kaneno, ne I Durmi Achiel, I bookman. Look Panikango, Ki Leb Acholi and look ni Lwap Pa Nikango, okay? One young dong, ni Jo Bura, Gi Jo Biri, mi Pajok, Kin Duju, Obino Gi Bunyoro, okay? Tie Nina Chiel, Ma Abedo, Capenyo Lodira Beach, mi Pajok, I Juba, Pien Anongo. Amirongyo ka Jo Bura gi biri kino gi bunyoro gi dano mokene nyo gin gin kengi, okay? Gi gu marach lo dir man duchu pe twero gamo peny mera ento Crasolero wacho ni Jo Bura gi biri gi bunyoro gin owuoro gi dano mokene dong jo ma gin owuoro kwedgi imwaga Maja obero dana mi dok ot man, okay? Yala. Jo mi ki mo woro kwedgi I Muhammaja obero dana mi dok ot man. Jo mo agi bunyor mo kena lulungo gini Jo Gaya, Jo Choa Bura, Jo Lebki, Jo Mia, Jo Chobo, Jo Kwongo, Jo Kwanga, Jo Jimo, Jo Biri, Nyo Biro, Jo Senge, ka Jo Bobi, Nyo Jo Bob. Okay? Yala. Wanongo ni. Ki kom dana man duchu, Jo Chua, mi Bura, Jimo, Biri, Nyo Biro, Gi Kwanga, Aye, Luo, Gi Kome. Okay, these are Luo groups, Luo people. Munu dana poka Gi Bunyoro. Okay, these are the Luo people. Gi Bunyoro. Okay, open your ears and listen widely, please. Dok Odd Man Bene Nonge Ikina Chuli Sudan Gi Acholi Uganda. Ento Jo Gaya Chobo Gi Bobi Gin Madi Mauchiro Nene Ibunyoro. Kajo Lepki Mia Gisenge Kono Wan Pe Wangyo Mabel Look Me Dok Ikomgi Pien Dok Odd Man Gin Kidman Pere Iloba Choli Nyoalu. Ati tamni jomomo agi bunyor e cha senge gine. Munu joma chiro as far as Central Africa. Western Africa. Okay, biri munu nyojo mi bunyoro munu nyojo luo mogone gicher as far as Central Africa and Western Africa. Okay. Um, Now regarding Jo Biri Palom wala Palome. Okay, this is the first time I'm hearing about this name. Te kwar pa chuli wacha ne Jo Palom wala Palome obino gi e obo koyo. Okay. Ki gumaraj pe anongo la dit mi Palom wala Palome wek apen mi niang kid magin o woro kwede. Mi ario amiro niam pingo Jo Palom wala Palome o wero lobo bo kabir ma kechpe ma kechpe nero ye dano. Okay, pian kinyo o tingo pin guana. Pian kinyo o tingo pin guana angok. Okay, nongo lok ma chaloman nongo lok chaloman o dogo tek bora. Okay, ento again ni a second edition church mi aria mi bookman wabi nongo look mapol madok ikom dano mi palom wala palome. So he wasn't able to find enough information about Johnny who your elders took in a court. So by the time I job booking no information my don't pay like in the agi or ball jo koyo mi or ball. Okay. He didn't know why uh they would leave a place that had enough food for everyone, a fertile land, Jalakoyo, and in a ball where they had Kenya for food there. They have enough in stock for people to eat during famine. Why would they leave there to go to settle as part of the Bidi people of Pajok? So he wasn't able to get answers to these questions because he could not find elders from this subgroup of Bidi, the Palom or the Palome people. Okay, so he stated here that he's writing a second book, a second edition to this book. I'm not sure if he published that yet or not. I'll search for it if so. Otherwise, looks like I'm gonna have to look for other information and other texts or other research or speak to elders to see um, if I can gather more information about this subgroup, Palome of Bidi. Okay. If you're from there, please drop a comment, share, or drop a comment, send me a private message so we can discuss. I know we already spoke to somebody once before from Bidi. Maybe we can find more information from other people as well. Okay, boy. Now regarding Team Gigot by Bidi. Okay, this is regarding the land and any type of mountains belonging to the Bidi people in Pajok, present day Pajok, South Sudan, present day South Sudan. This is what he wrote if they had land and if they had any mountains within their territory. Uh, this is what he wrote. He said, Biri tie gitim abichel. Okay, now remember they're one of the forefathers of Pajok. So, of course, Gitige land. Of course, they have land. Okay, so they have six territories within Pajok, or six pieces of land, I guess, belong to the Bidi people. Okay, so they said Bidi team Tiguti Abichel. Okay, Mana ye team Agolo gi Odo, team Yamo Okoro, team Chin. Whoa, what? Okay, let me read that again. Bidi Tigi team Abichel, Mana ye team Agolo gi Odo, Igolo gi Odo, Yala team Yamo Okoro nga. Team Chin Nyari. What? Chin Nyari Pinga. Team Chandek. That I heard of from Olanya. Team Chandek. Team Achamo Langa. What? What is going on? Team Achamo Langa. Kagin. Kagi Team Odegi Lodonga. Can you degi Lodonga, huh? Team, they have very, very unique subgroup names or names of land in Bidi, within the Bidi community. Okay, Yamokoro, Chinyeri, Chandek, Achamolango, Adegi Lodama. These are the names. Dana Machon, Mao no Koro Seriba, Miti Man, Yobo team. Okay? Gi Dana Manyin, Ma Koro Chiriba, Miti Man, Pewang Nyingi. Look, Mokene Ma Ower, Nongo Nying Dano Ma Koro Chiriba. Meeting man odotek ena yeni mun pa gereng o kerodano ata ma oweho nong lok yi bot lo diro obero tek jo biri bene tiegi got magi lungo got la got loak got tugi ento biri kari bet gin weri pajo mi pa jok wanone gin piregi jok. Wow. They're one of the forefathers and founders of Pajok with a lot of land, but they have only one mountain as opposed they're significant for that specific community. It's called Lagot Luak. Lagot Luak. Okay? But they have no job. They don't have like maybe they believe in God, but they don't have like a significant high power that that they believe in. Okay? So I end there about beauty. I'm not gonna read any further than that. Tomorrow I will read about the Pagaya people. Remember the people Mobino first. One of the forefathers is Pagaya. Okay, so it's Pagaya, Biri, and then Jokera, and then you, forefathers of Pajok. Tomorrow we'll read about Pagaya. Please leave your comments, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel. We are on YouTube as Chaka Leb Acholi. Okay, this segment of reading or Kwan Leb Acholi is within the platform. Apo Matek. My son is crying again. Okay, bye. Okay.